Welcome to Avishkaar Nexus, where we explore the inventions that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into some of the most groundbreaking inventions that make life easier. From smart gadgets to everyday innovations, these inventions have transformed how we live. So, let's get started. Have you ever wished you could save time on everyday tasks? Or maybe you've dreamed of technology that can take care of your chores while you focus on what matters? Well, you're in luck. Today we'll uncover the incredible inventions that do exactly that. Let's begin with smart home technology. From smart thermostats like Nest that learn your preferences and adjust the temperature automatically, to robotic vacuums like Roomba, these gadgets are changing how we manage our homes. Imagine never having to sweep your floors or adjust your thermostat manually again. Sounds like a dream, right? Smart thermostat, Nest inventors, Tony Fadell, Matt Rogers and team at Nest Labs in year 2011, robotic vacuum Roomba inventors Colin Angle, Helen Greiner, Rodney Brooks at iRobot in year 2002. Next up, wearable technology. Whether it's smartwatches that track your fitness, monitor your heart rate, or even help you make calls on the go, these gadgets are making health and productivity easier to manage. The best part? They're right on your wrist. Wearable tech like the Apple Watch or Fitbit helps us stay connected and organized without lifting a finger. Wearable technology. Fitbit inventors James Park and Eric Friedman in year 2007. Fitbit launched in 2009. Smartwatch Apple. Watch inventor Apple Inc. Project led by Kevin Lynch in year 2015. Ever found yourself rushing to get things done? Enter voice-activated assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. They can do everything from setting reminders, turning off lights, ordering groceries, to playing your favorite music, just with a simple voice command. It's like having a personal assistant in your home. Voice-activated assistant, Alexa, Amazon Echo. Inventor, Amazon. Team led by Rohit Prasad and Tony Reed in year 2014. Time in the kitchen just got easier thanks to food delivery services like Uber Eats and cooking gadgets like Instant Pots. They take the hassle out of meal prep, allowing you to enjoy your favorite meals with little to no effort. Just imagine setting up your Instant Pot in the morning and coming home to a perfectly cooked dinner. Instant Pot, multifunctional cooker inventor, Robert Wang in year 2010. For those on the move, electric bikes and scooters have revolutionized transportation in urban areas. These eco-friendly inventions make commuting not only faster but also more fun. Plus, they cut down on the need for cars in busy cities, making them a great solution for both your schedule and the environment. Electric bikes, pedal assist bikes, e-bikes, inventor Ogden Bolton Jr. for early patents in 1895. In year, modern versions developed in the 1990s. Electric scooter, Segway and modern e-scooters. Inventor Segway, Dean Kamen in year Segway 2001. These inventors and their innovations have made a significant impact on everyday life, transforming how we live, work and play. So there you have it, some of the most amazing inventions that make life easier. From smart home devices to wearable tech and transportation solutions, these innovations are transforming the way we live. Which invention is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and life-changing inventions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Avishkaar Nexus.